Here's just a quick video if you guys need some extra help with midpoints and the midpoint formula. So I'm going to do number 9, which is the first question that you guys have where you're given 2 points instead of it drawn on a graph. So in number 9, you get the points -4, 4, and 5, 1. And I'm going ahead and drawn this on a graph here, and you guys can kind of see that our midpoint is kind of in this area here. However, we're not really sure what point exactly that is, and it could be a decimal or a fraction answer. So we're going to use the midpoint formula to make sure that we find the exact answer here, okay, and not just a guess or an estimate. All right, midpoint formula is m equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, because this is an ordered pair, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 as well. Remember in our last video on distance formula, we were just talking about labeling our points x1, y1, and x2, y2 just because that's the order the points come in. It doesn't matter which point you label what, but just keep it consistent throughout. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this midpoint. So m equals x1 is -4 plus x2, which is 5, all over 2, comma, y1, which is 4, plus y2, which is 1, divided by 2, and our parentheses there. So it does look like we're going to have 2 fraction answers, but let's go ahead and solve these. -4 plus 5 is going to give me a +1, right, over 2, and we can actually leave that as 1/2. And then 4 plus 1 equals 5 over 2, and we can leave that as 5/2 if we really want to, but it might be nice just to kind of simplify that a little bit. So I've got 1/2, comma, running out of space here, 5/2 is actually going to be 2 and 1/2. All right, let us know if you have any other questions.